So today, we're going to talk about a technology from Google that could literally change everything we know about building software. It's called anti-gravity, and it's all about tearing down the biggest walls in digital creation. Let's jump in.
I mean, who hasn't, right? You get that flash of genius, an idea for an app that could solve a huge problem, or maybe start a business. You can see the whole thing in your head, clear as day.
And then, reality hits. The sheer weight of it all. You have to learn to code, or hire expensive developers. The time, the money. It's like this massive gravitational pull that just drags your amazing idea right back down to earth before it ever gets a chance to fly.
Well, this is where things get really exciting. Google's solution is called anti-gravity for a reason. Its whole purpose is to do one thing: get rid of that weight and let your ideas finally, well, take off.
So, to be super clear, we're not talking about defying physics here. It's a metaphor, a brilliant one. Anti-gravity is all about removing that massive burden of software development, letting anyone's idea just float up and become real, all without writing a single line of code.
To really get how big of a deal this is, you have to look at the before and after. And I'm not talking about a small improvement here. This is a complete seismic shift in how we make things.
I mean, just look at the difference. The old way? Years of learning to code, months of grinding away, begging for money to hire developers. The new way, with anti-gravity? You just speak your idea out loud, and you get a working app in a few hours. It's affordable, it's easy, it's a total game changer.
Just let that sink in for a second. A project that would have taken a team half a year to build can now be done in the time it takes to watch a few movies. That's not just making things faster. That's a speed that can flip entire industries on their head. It's absolutely staggering. And then there's the money. What used to cost a small fortune, we're talking tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars, is now a tiny fraction of that. This isn't just about saving money. It's about democracy. It's making it possible for anyone, anywhere to create.
Okay, this all sounds incredible in theory, right? But what does it actually look like in the real world? Let's talk about how regular people like you and me, could actually use this.
Imagine you own a small shop. Instead of using some clunky, one-size-fits-all software, you just say that. And boom, a few hours later, you have your own custom app, built exactly for your business. No more compromises.
Or how about this? You're a teacher with a fantastic idea for a new learning game. Before, that idea would probably just stay an idea. Now, you can just build it yourself. You become the creator, making the perfect tool you've always wanted for your students.
And it just keeps going. A farmer could build an app to monitor their crops. A home cook could launch a whole business selling their recipes online. We're talking about a world where the barrier to starting your own business is practically gone.
So how on earth does this work? It honestly feels like magic. But behind the curtain, what you really have is your own personal, super efficient team of AI agents, all working for you.
So when you speak your idea, you're not just talking into the void. You're giving a briefing to your automated AI team. You've got a design agent that creates the whole look and feel. Then the code agent gets to work writing all the technical stuff. After that, a testing agent runs it through its paces to find any bugs. And a fixing agent swoops in to clean them up. They all work together, perfectly in sync, to build your app from scratch.
Now, whenever we talk about technology this powerful, there's always a big question that comes up about jobs. But the way this is being framed isn't about replacing people, it's about promoting them.
And there it is, the big one, the question on everyone's mind. If AI can do all the hard technical work, what's left for us?
And the answer couldn't be more clear. Absolutely not. This isn't about replacing you. This is about giving you a promotion. It turns you from the person who has to do all the backbreaking digital labor into the manager, the boss, the one with a vision.
This lays it out perfectly. Your new job is to be the manager. You come up with the ideas. You give the directions. You provide the creative spark. The system's job? Execution. It handles all the technical grunt work to make your vision a reality. Suddenly, your creativity and your ideas become the most valuable skills you have.
So here's the bottom line. If you're someone with an idea, someone who sees a problem that needs solving, or an entrepreneur who wants to build something amazing, this kind of technology isn't your replacement. It's your new best partner.
And that leaves us with this final, truly mind-blowing thought. For all of human history, there has been this huge, massive gap between having a dream and actually having the skills or the money to make it happen. With a tool like this, that gap might just be disappearing for good. The only thing left holding you back is your own imagination.